Today we will cover reproductive health. First of all, thanks for joining the live stream. So today I will give you a simple framework which helps you to understand how male fertility works and what can cause male infertility and how we investigate it and how we can treat. So we are on step 10 of our IVF series. This week we will be covering whole of male fertility um, as a part of baseline workup. Okay, so a male reproduction. So like its name suggests, as any process of production involves a regulation and the production and delivery. So there is specific organ structure in the body responsible for all the steps of the production process. For the regulation, pituitary gland is responsible. So pituitary gland is based on the base of the brain. So for production of sperm, testes are responsible. So, and delivery of the sperm is responsibility of vas deferens primarily in other reproductive ducts. So now let us look at how this process happens. So like in any production line, you need messengers which conveys the command across the production process. So in level of pituitary gland, the role of messenger is played by these two hormones called FSH and LH. Pituitary produces FSH and LH hormone, which stimulates testes to produce testosterone hormone in the sperm, and sperm is delivered to vas deferens, then subsequently delivered during intercourse. Okay, let us have a more close examination of this process of production of the testosterone and sperm. So this is achieved in two parallel pathways. So first pathway is LH, Leydig cell pathway. So the LH is produced from pituitary here, and which stimulates the specific cells called Leydig cells in the testis, which produce testosterone. So the role of Leydig cell is to produce testosterone hormone. So of course the whole body needs testosterone, and also importantly, these cells and the testes and the tubules, these called Sertoli cells, they also need testosterone to stimulate sperm production. Okay, so this is the first pathway, LH, Leydig cell pathway, which results production of testosterone hormone. Okay, we can see here LH affects Leydig cells and the testes, which produce testosterone. Then the second pathway is FSH, Sertoli cell pathway. So here, FSH hormone stimulates specific cell in the testes and the next to tubules, which stimulates production of sperm. So sperm cells are inside these tubules, and they need FSH, which stimulates Sertoli cells, which stimulates sperm. And also the Sertoli cells need testosterone, which is produced from Leydig cells. So Sertoli cells needs two main factors, FSH and testosterone. So in the concept LH, FSH, Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, production of testosterone stimulates production of sperm. So we need both of these pathways. And so we can see that all these hormones, all the structures, pituitary gland, testes, and all the cells and signals work in concert to produce sperm, which is of course most fundamental unit of male fertility. So disruption in any of these pathways of the process can lead to infertility. So in future live streams this week, we will discuss all the causes of infertility and how we investigate and treat. This is end of my live stream today. Thanks for your time. Have a great evening. So we'll